YSH Farm was founded by my grandfather back in 1976, and we specialize in supplying poultry products to a wide range of customers.
Farms Vision was founded in 2003, and since then, we've expanded out of Singapore into Indonesia, and now we are serving more than 100 active clients in Asia, Europe, and America.
For someone who started as an engineer, a graduate in biomedical and electronics, building up this digital marketing business from ground zero was no easy feat. COVID accelerated the need for digital, especially in SMEs. After talking to our clients, we realized that many companies like ourselves are struggling to transform digitally.
Sudden high demand for IT services, but we didn't have the manpower to supplement the demand.
Especially when COVID impacted our business, sales really took a dip, and we knew we had to diversify and look for alternative revenue streams.
That's when we decided to take up the RISE program to upskill our employees and at the same time get advice and support to solve this specific business challenge.
It is never easy to balance work with learning. However, through the course, it enables us to allocate some time out of our busy schedule to actively work on solving the company's problem statement. Through the interactive one-to-one coaching sessions conducted by BCG experts and industry practitioners, we explored the different possibilities for our company's roadmap.
We decided to enroll into the Omni-Channel Sales and Marketing Program.
Through this program, we learn how to create a holistic marketing plan focusing on brand awareness and engagement, which includes setting up and optimizing social media campaigns. What surprised me was that we even got to interact with BCG's senior leadership, who provided us with sound business advice from their years of experience. They also allowed us to leverage on their network, and we have since started our RedMart journey as a platform to go direct to consumer.
I believe the program was able to guide me in creating a plan to grow our business by repositioning the company with new offerings to better assist our growing clients. The Digital Growth and Innovation course remains one of the most useful courses I've attended, and I intend to send all of my staff, particularly the Business and Data Analytics course.
Lifelong learning is no longer an employee mindset. It is a company mindset, culture, and value. We will continue to groom our employees and enroll them into suitable courses. Invest today to safeguard your legacy tomorrow.